All right, so let's warm up a little more and do 57 out of 5.1. So we want to solve for t in 3 times the quantity 1.081 to the t equals 14.
No, divide by 3.
So it doesn't matter. You can log both sides first, or you can divide by 3 first. If you log both sides first, you're going to need to use a log rule. I feel like my most likely error to commit is to misremember a log rule. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3 first. And I'm going to do that by multiplying both sides by a third, right?
Sure, yeah.
So I'm going to get 1.081 to the t equals 14 over 3. Okay, then what?
Then you can log both sides.
Yeah, does it matter what kind of log you use?
No.
No, not at all. Pick one. I don't care which. If you're going to be an accountant, pick an LOG log. If you're going to be a scientist, pick an LM log. If you're going to be a contrary person, you just alternate or something.
Also log on one side and L on the other.
Definitely don't do that. You can alternate problems, but not
Okay.
sides. So let's ln both sides. So I'll get natural log of 1.081 to the t, all of that feeding into a log, right? And that's going to equal natural log of 14 over 3. Okay, then what?
Pull the T out.
Good. Grab the t, use a log rule to pull it down. So this step will be a log rule. Need a better symbol for that. So you got t times natural log of 1.081 equals what?
Ln of 14 over
Natural log of 14 over 3. Okay, so categorically, what is this frickin' thing?
No number.
Good. Log of
T
1
times-
point whatever is a number. What's the log of 14 over 3? That's also a,
Just a number.
yeah, that's just a frickin' number, right? So when you have a number times a variable equals another number, how do you
Divide by
solve?
the number.
Divide by the number that's attached to your variable, right? So we're going to divide both sides by what?
The natural log of 1.081.
Natural log of 1.081, right? And so we're going to get t is,
The natural log of 14 over 3 divided by the natural log of 1.081.
perfect. Natural log of 14 divided by 3 divided by natural log of 1 point whatever.
Why didn't you divide by 1 over Ln of 1.081J?
Okay, fine. We can multiply by 1 over log of. They're the same thing, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get you guys used to the notation that I'm going to use for calc class.
Oh, okay.
And so,
I'm just busting your ass.
yeah, no worries. I use the divide stuff when I'm doing more basic stuff.
Okay.
Like when that's one of the complicated steps, and when students have a little trouble with fractions. You guys should be getting used to fractions with nasty, nasty stuff in them. So maybe this is better. All right, so when I get here,
Done.
done, circle, check.
For you at least, right? Or
Yeah,
you?
for me.
Okay.
Are you going to be teaching calculus? Sorry, 2 questions.
Fair question. I'm not sure who's going to be. I think Meryl's teaching calculus in the fall. And so she'll probably go along with this. She probably also wants you to get the approximation. I personally don't care. But if you're doing chemistry or physics, then you want the approximation for like what?
Measurements.
Yeah, you want to be able to find this thing on a ruler, right?
Fucking-
You're not going to find that on a ruler or on the side of a test tube in the chem lab.
That's where, sig figs come in.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and sig figs are a bunch of bullshit. Sig figs are a bunch of bullshit because 2 significant figures fed through a function does not necessarily output the same degree of accuracy. Should ask Colin how to reconcile that. I don't know what the answer is.